Deputies on Wednesday morning debated draft resolutions on breakthrough mechanisms for Vietnam's cultural development and the establishment of Đồng Nai as a centrally governed city. Now, earlier on Tuesday afternoon, they discussed amendments to key tax laws, including a personal income tax, value-added tax, corporate income tax, and special consumption tax.
Deputies backed the government's proposal to raise the tax-free revenue threshold for household and individual businesses to around $38,000 per year, up from the current $19,000. They also called for its swift implementation.
The amendment should create better conditions for people and businesses. The threshold should be raised, not lowered.
We only need to add a clause for the current threshold, allowing the government to set a higher figure. That would reassure people and provide flexibility through a decree or resolution.
Deputies said the new policy would support household businesses, individual traders, and small and medium-sized enterprises, while maintaining incentives for business formalization. They also proposed expanding digital tax management systems.
Digital integration between tax authorities and banking platforms should be strengthened to reduce the burden of self-declaration for citizens.
The revised tax laws are expected to be accompanied by detailed decrees and circulars to ensure swift implementation once approved during the current session.